Bybit exchange pricing explained what you get for your money. Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges, but most people get this wrong by assuming high fees come with advanced trading tools. The surprising truth is that Bybit combines competitive fees with professional grade features for both beginners and seasoned traders. Creating an account is free, and deposits in crypto carry no platform fees, though blockchain network fees apply. Bybit uses a maker-taker fee model for trading. Makers, who provide liquidity to the order book, can earn a small rebate of 0.25%, while takers, who remove liquidity, typically pay 0.75%. For example, if you place a zero-taker order, your fee will be around 75, which is low compared to many other exchanges. Bybit supports spot trading, perpetual contracts, and futures with leverage, making it a versatile platform for different strategies. The exchange also offers staking options for certain assets, allowing you to earn passive income while holding crypto. Fees for leverage trading are incorporated into the contract pricing and are transparent before confirming any order. Withdrawals are straightforward, with network fees displayed upfront. Security is a priority. Bybit uses multi-signature cold wallets, two-factor authentication, and industry-standard encryption to protect funds. Insurance funds are also maintained to cover unexpected losses in leveraged trading. The surprising truth is that Bybit delivers a full-featured trading experience with low costs and strong security. By understanding the maker-taker model, using staking, and managing leverage carefully, you can maximize value and minimize unnecessary fees. In conclusion, Bybit Exchange combines competitive trading fees, versatile trading options, and robust security measures. By leveraging the platform's features intelligently, traders can keep costs low while accessing professional tools and opportunities to grow their crypto portfolio.